There are three types of illnesses caused mainly by acidic waste. First, osteoporosis, caused by solidified acidic waste in the body. Second, solidified acidic waste that affects joints and organs can result in the raising of cholesterol, kidney ailment, arthritis, and gout. Third, the capillary blood vessel will gradually be clogged up with solidified acidic waste, causing the major organs of a body to be deprived of sufficient quantities of blood and nutrients. This can cause diabetes, kidney ailment, hypotension, cancer, and other diseases. While the normal cells of the human body degenerate and acidic waste accumulates, cancer, one of the major illnesses in the world, will make a generic transformation and keep propagating itself in order to survive in such acidic surroundings. There have been two theories on the basic causes of cancer. One is the oxygen deficiency theory by a German biochemist, Dr. Warbach, and the other is the theory of acidic cells by a Japanese doctor, Dr. Irashi. Dr. Warbach insists that if oxygen is removed from a healthy cell, the cell will start to turn cancerous. Dr. Warbach won the Nobel Prize by proving this theory through his many experiments. On the other hand, Dr. Irashi says that alkaline healthy cells are normally rendered inactive in places where acidic waste accumulates. But in certain cases, some cells remain alive, and cancer starts right there. Even though cancer cells are eliminated entirely through an operation, they reoccur because the acidic surrounding still remains after the operation. At the same time, the cells of the human body try to remedy this circumstance by turning them into cancer cells. So, to prevent this situation, we should stop the accumulation of acidic waste by drinking alkaline water every day. When acidic waste accumulates in the pancreas, it can cause diabetes due to lack of insulin in the body, and this deteriorates the functions of the pancreas. Doctors say that symptoms of diabetes appear mainly in people above 40, with no symptoms of diabetes in their 20s. How do they differ from each other? In general, the quantity of accumulated acidic waste after the age of 40 is far more compared to those in their 20s, especially in the pancreas. Nevertheless, we can help overcome diabetes if we flush out the acidic waste from our body during our youth by drinking alkaline water. Many other illnesses can be overcome in the same way. Hypertension is a common illness that occurs due to two reasons. One is that hypertension occurs due to clogged capillary vessels caused by physical reasons, or narrowed blood vessels generated by acidic waste. Thus, blood pressure has to be higher naturally in order to supply sufficient quantities of blood through the narrowed vessels. The other reason is because of the lack of oxygen due to chemical reasons, namely solidified acidic waste in the vessels. Hypotension occurs due to the deteriorating function of the heart muscles from the lack of calcium ions caused by acidic waste. A patient with hypotension can regain his health by constantly drinking alkaline water. This is because calcium ions in alkaline water are able to directly restore the heart's activities or stimulate the activities of calcium ions. One of the major functions of alkaline water is also to purify waste in the body. The accumulation of excessive waste in the kidney will cause the occurrence of kidney ailment. When cells survive in an excessive acidic environment, swelling of the kidney occurs. This hampers the normal functions of the kidneys, leading to kidney ailment. In order to ensure the proper functioning of the human body, cells should expel all waste produced by them. But if blood in the vessels becomes acidic, the waste will cling to the walls of the cell, causing solidification of acidic chloride in the kidneys to occur and form kidney stones. Human bones function as a calcium bank in the body. Bones supply all the calcium needs of the body. A combination of calcium and phosphorus, bones stay healthy as long as there is adequate amounts of these two substances. To neutralize excessive quantities of waste, the body starts to deprive the bones of calcium, which may be harmful to the body. Symptoms of calcium deficiency are not evident through X-ray examinations and is only visible when 30% to 40% of calcium in the bone is drained. Gout also happens when acidic waste accumulates in the capillary blood vessels of hands and legs. Normally, gout will occur in toe joints, knee joints, and finger joints, and even generate severe pain when the weather changes. Drinking alkaline water is one of the best ways to treat gout. In a seminar on water, health and illnesses, Dr. Choi, a medical practitioner at the Seoul National Medical University, confirmed that the effects of alkaline water were both a scientific fact as well as a medical fact. Observing 15 patients, comprising 10 men and 5 women, who were suffering from constipation for more than a year, results showed that the symptoms of constipation were alleviated by drinking alkaline water for a period of 1 to 2 weeks. 12 out of 15 patients recovered remarkably well after this period. So, Dr. Choi concluded that there was a remarkable improvement after drinking alkaline water, and all the patients who were taking alkaline water were becoming more alert. This is true because lubricating waste secreted on the walls of the large intestine helps excretion become a lot easier. If there is bad blood circulation in the large intestine due to a large amount of acidic waste, then constipation occurs because there is a lack of lubricating substances.